Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the USB flash drive audio recorder with 25-day standby time. Hidden inside of this flash drive is a covert audio recorder. Its simple, easy to use design will ensure that you go unnoticed in its operation. There isn't any beeping, buzzing, or vibrating to give you away either. You can record for 15 hours continuously, or as another option, you can actually set this USB flash drive to record only when it hears a noise. This not only saves you hours and hours of listening, but also conserves the battery life. What makes this great is the fact that when it's not hearing a noise, it will go to sleep. When it's sleeping, it's virtually not using any battery at all. Next up, I'm going to show you how to start and stop recordings and even have a live demo so you can hear how good the audio quality really is. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration for the white USB audio recorder. Now in order to do these tests for you today, what we're going to do is start a recording. Let me show you how to do that. So if you locate it right on the top here of the USB audio recorder, there's like a half circle. Now if I spin this around a little bit, you'll see a solid line here and then 3 dots here. Now if I take this little circle and I move it towards the solid line, that'll cause the USB audio recorder to record continuously. If I move it towards the 3 dots, that'll put it to noise activation mode. So for our test today, I'm going to make it continuously record. And if I show you underneath the cap, there's actually a little red LED light that comes on right there that indicates to you guys that it started recording. Now, all of the audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the device itself. Now, to give you guys a little bit of an idea, our storefront here is 20 feet wide by 30 feet long. The first test we're going to do is a conversation test, and for that test, I'm going to put the white USB audio recorder in my pocket. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years to test the audio quality of our recorders. This is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. So for the next test, what we're going to do is put the white USB audio recorder and do on the shelf over here and do a distance test. There you go, Kenny. This is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And finally, this is a test of the white USB audio recorder at 30 feet. All of the audio is stored onto the internal 4 GB memory, which can last up to 144 hours of recordings. When it's time to recharge the battery or listen to the recordings, you can simply plug the entire device directly into your computer using the USB interface. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.